What's up, YouTube? Strategic Entrepreneur stopping by again. Hey, look, this video gonna be about the cleaning business, carpet cleaning business, and medical/transportation. I'm gonna just put it all into one so you could take it for what it's worth and just figure out how you want to maneuver. Hey, look, I got the box truck behind me. As you can see, literally, it says 9-foot box truck. The thing about it, what I like about this box truck the most, if you're gonna do deliveries, it could be move in, move out delivery, junk hauling, any of these things, they're all going into one. This is a 9-foot box truck. What makes a difference on this truck, honestly, when they're loading the pallets up in your truck, is gonna be how wide it is. We obviously know the back of the truck is gonna be wide. Cool. I'm telling y'all this it's gonna be certain loads. Let me speed it up for y'all. I'm walking to the van as we speak. Cause I do a lot of these U-Haul videos that went viral, whatever. This is the U-Haul cargo, right? Let me see if I can get y'all back there. Y'all just walk with me, talk with me. See, now if you rented this and you already had some quotes and everything for customers. Like I just literally went into a church right now for to do a cleaning, right? For the quote them. I quoted them at $800. So it's nothing for me to load this up with my cleaning products, my carpet cleaner, my portable one, and the rest of the things I'm gonna need for this. So, and I've had this for a week now. I'm gonna easily make that money. So in your mind, which I'm already knowing, just leave it in the comments. Do you think this is worth riding in if you don't have a vehicle? Like if you don't have a work vehicle or if you don't have a vehicle in general, you're gonna have to get some money up. Hey, I'm telling you, if you just have to get started with getting your customers and make sure you look reliable and good situation, bro. And and my main thing was telling y'all this is a 9-foot box truck. 9-foot cargo van. And I'm like, comparing that to the truck, y'all seen my truck in the videos. I probably got 1,000 box truck videos and shorts. I don't think I can flip the camera. Hold on. Man, did they put tape right there? I don't even know. I ain't gonna mess with a U-Haul. It ain't mine. But I should have recorded. I went to look at a cargo van the other day, which is a plus right here. But this is gonna go for a lot of these vans. So when we're loading the pallets up, would I recommend this cargo van? Yes. But if you're gonna do big freight, no. Cause of it's the wheel. This is because I looked at a van the other day, and this van is bigger than the van I looked at. I should have went live because I told y'all about it. That van was a piece of shit. When they're loading it, this is gonna be in the way. You could come in from that side of the door, but you could get the pallet in here. But how they be stacking my loads, we would have to take it off the pallet, honestly. But if you just want to make the money, bro, and don't care about the little extra sweat, where they say I put blood, sweat, and tears in my business, that's going to be your blood, sweat, and tears. But if we're just speaking on medical, 9-foot right here, van, Savannah. I got a Savannah too. That's just the newest Savannah right here. Bro, this is a good van. If you're just going to do medical, a lot of people know about XD. If you know, you know. Honestly, I was comparing my box truck to XD, and I'm like, ooh. Cargo van is going to be good on gas, too. Box truck wasn't bad on gas, just a V6. But let's be honest, if we talking about downtown Atlanta, downtown DC, those two different places, would you rather have a truck? Which I don't care. I'm used to driving a truck, so it wouldn't matter to me. And I'm knowing I might go pick up a swing set, right? From, what's the store? Tractor Supply. Somebody might order a swing set. Me, how I think and know now, would it be easier and I'm talking about it's still together. It's not, you got to put it together or anything. Would you rather load it in this van or would you rather load it in that box truck? That's going to be the big difference. Once you start knowing, I swear, When you're getting in the hauling business, you're going to have to know measurements. That's the only difference. That's why I said cleaning business, if you're starting from the bottom and you don't know anything else and just trying to figure out how to make some money, even if you had to load your lawnmowers in there, whatever, bro, you can make the money with these vans and trucks. And to think about it, I didn't even have to put the miles on my truck this week. And that's, believe me, you're saving time and maintenance hours. If you're putting all these miles, I didn't even realize till about a week or two ago, I work every day. Bro, I didn't realize how many miles I was putting on these vehicles. I swear. And these vehicles are, from the truck to the van, they are made to put miles on. But I was like, hold up. My box truck needs a friend. I went and looked at a cargo van the other day, but I should have recorded that video because for the do's and don'ts of buying a van. I'm literally arguing with somebody on Facebook right now about the van that they're selling. I'll say the price so we can just make this so you'll understand where I'm at. He has a 16-foot box truck, bigger than the box truck I got right over there. That's only a 9. This is only a 9. He wants 3,200, which is diabolical because it's like a 1996. That's diabolical, bro. Like, for real. Truck's cool, whatever, but, bro, you're not giving me my money's worth. You're just trying to put a price on something. You're not giving me what the value really is. The value of that truck, I could have got a 16-foot box truck used, of course, same year, though, 2 weeks ago for $2,000. And I'm like, why would I give you, are you in a rush? Do you know the game? I'm looking at being an entrepreneur right now. 6-7 years ago, when I went full-time, bro, think about this. When I first started, I looked at it now, how I look at it, that was youth league. That was me in the minor league. I was just trying to, when your mom first take you out to football practice, you out there by yourself, you got to figure it out. If you know, you know. That's what happens in this sport now, in business. I started small. I swear I started all of this stuff in my car. The cleaning business, you name it, I started in my car. So sometimes when I be thinking about my box truck and all these things, I be like, damn, remember where you started though, bro? That's the main thing I always got to remember and tell myself. So if you're trying to get into medical transportation, start going to look up what you're going to need for these platforms. Because call them. Ask them, what do I need before you even go buy your first box truck, before you go buy your first cargo van. That's your main thing, and that's how you're going to make it. So, hey, I appreciate y'all for coming in these videos now. I see y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to hear, what you need to know. Ask some questions. My main thing on this channel is for questions. I'm not trying to be the guru. I'm going to tell y'all what I go through in business and what's going on next in my business. I'm not going to these videos, the stocks, crypto, we're just going to talk about that on my lives and get straight to it. Appreciate y'all.